So this is our room at the Apollonion. So here's a pandy there. Full length mirror as you walk in. Safe. Oh, and behind the mirror is robes. And then this side we've got some slippers. There's only 2 and there's 4 of us staying there though, which is a bit weird. Right, and then you've got the bathroom here. Full size shower. Lots of towels. I like those because I tend to use 2 a day. I know it's naughty of me. Non-slip mat is there. Lots of toilet paper, which is great. We've got some amenities as well. Fantastic. Double sink. More towels. Hairdryer. Telephone. I love the way they put telephones into bathrooms. Right, and then we've got another pandy. Double bed there, which is 2 single beds together. Plug sockets and light switches at the side of the bed, but I haven't seen any USB lighting. USB plug sockets. And then the TV. Stating obvious. That one does. Oh, they're very stiff. And then we've got a mini fridge with some water in. That's a nice touch. There you go. Oops. Small seating area. And then, oh, outside. If I can get out. Somebody's locked it. Ah. Nice seating area out here. Oh, it looks as if they play some games down there. That looks lovely. Got a lovely view. Look at that. Pool and sea and bar. Oh, it looks absolutely gorgeous. You can see the mountains over there. Really, really nice views. I think that's the spa over there. Looks lovely. Right, back in, because we have washing line as well. Fabulous. We have another level to explore. And a cute little baby gate. Who are we going to find up here? So, what's on this level? Ah, we've got 2 teenagers. There you go. So we'll be sleeping down there, and they'll be up here. So they got bedside tables and their own wardrobe, extra bedding, extra pillows, 2 coat hangers. Oh, well, that's not going to be enough for a week's stay. So yeah, all in all, looks very nice indeed. Very happy.